Hello. In this very short video, I'm going to demonstrate multi-cell chats with large language models in Jupyter Chatbooks with a Python kernel. This video is a teaser of a much longer presentation on multi-cell chats or notebook-wide chats. We're going to dwell in this khaki-colored part of the mind map. This mind map shows 4 different ways for interacting with large language models in chatbooks. I'm going to demonstrate prompt expansion and meta cells. All right, so I'm going to create a new Jupyter notebook here, and I'm going to select the correct kernel. Let me trash this cell, create a new code cell, zoom. And first we're going to import the Jupyter Chatbook package. Then I'm going to use line magic for loading the extension, which is provided, the magic which is provided by this package. And so here I'm going to specify a chat cell, anonymous chat cell, and I'm going to address a particular character, Mad Hatter from Alice in Wonderland, and I'm going to dictate, "Hi, who are you?" And I'm going to request the result to be haiku styled. So I'm using this modifier. So we get a result which seems to be in the haiku shape, and it looks like it's about Mad Hatter from Alice in Wonderland. In another chat cell, I'm going to request translation of the previous result, and I'm going to use this notation here. I'm going to specify the language I want the translation to be to. And with this caret symbol, I'm saying that this should be the previous result. Now, it shouldn't have been German with just German. And if I call it the second time, it produces something else. All right, so here I'm going to use a meta cell. And this meta cell is going to be for the chat object with ID none, which by default is being assigned in these cells. And so if I say print, we can see the interaction we had with this chat object. And we can see how Mad Hatter, this specification here at Mad Hatter, was expanded into a longer prompt. The part I dictated is also here, and the request for the haiku modification is also here, and we can see the rest of the chat. All right, so I want to talk a little bit more about prompts. So I'm going to load the prompts package, which is being used by Jupyter Chatbook, and I'm going to import everything, I guess. So here, if I say LLM prompt data, and let's actually look into the Mad Hatter, we're going to see the data for this prompt. So we can see the name, a short description, the actual prompt text, who created it. It's created by Wolfram Research, and we see some categorization. Like this particular prompt belongs to the personas and topics, also like fictional characters. All right, if I click on the URL here, we're going to go to the Wolfram prompt repository. This is the entry for Mad Hatter. You can see some other stuff. I strongly advise to look into the article by Stephen Wolfram on the prompts and how prompts are organized and the repository is organized. We can see here there's a classification of personas, functions, and modifiers. This is the classification for the prompts, and I demonstrated all of those. This is the Jupyter Chatbook package entry in PyPy.org. The LLM prompts package has approximately 150-160 prompts from different sources, mostly from Wolfram Research at this point, also from Google and some others. All right, this was it. Thank you.